Okay, today it's the 12th of October 2022. What was the address here?
Ahvenistonkatu 4.
And this is the stake you say?
Yeah.
Okay. In Lahti, Finland. Very amazing. Should have memory also.
Yeah.
Original. Built in 1963, turning 60 years old in next year, 2023, when it's going to be inspected again. This number is H10834 and the capacity is 4 persons or 320 grams. It should take 2 rides per hour.
Yeah.
Here. Amazing and rare.
Yeah.
Is somebody coming on?
No, I think.
It's the ventilation.
Yeah. Inspekteert maintained by Kone.
I would like to send it up to watch the fun later.
Yeah.
Because we did it from the top floor to the lowest floor and now up again. It will fit in perfectly.
Yeah.
But I think 2 is broken. The light bulb.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's
Thank you.